welcome back to Shifting Gears. And as you guys can see today, we've got another review. We've got an Alfa Romeo Giulietta, and this Giulietta is a little bit different. It's not your standard Giulietta. It's pushing 320 brake horsepower. As you guys can see, it looks really nice. We'll give you a bit more information about the car further on in the video. But yeah, trust me guys, these cars are a sleeper, man. It's really nice. As I said, like, it looks quick, but obviously we'll jump in later, speak to the owner. So if you guys are enjoying these videos, make sure you drop us a like and a subscribe. We did do another Alfa Romeo before this. I will leave a link in the top there for you guys to go watch that as well. That was a Mito, a really underrated, really quick car. So yeah, man, without further ado, guys, let's get straight into this. So Richard, thank you very much for bringing your Alfa Romeo down to us, bro. Just want to give us a bit more information what you've done to it, hardware, modifications, and what made you want to get one, bro?
I've seen a lot of Giuliettas around my home area, and I was also in a Facebook group with Giuliettas, and they're just such an underrated car.
Yeah, I agree with that, man.
They are just honestly so stunning.
Yeah, I mean, it looks good as well, man. It does.
Absolutely amazing hatchback. That's just, yeah. So it's currently on a Celtic tuning stage 2 remap, running 318, 320 brake horsepower, 340 newton meters, give or take. We've got a hybrid billet compressor wheel turbo, induction kit, M-Tech, disc and pads, a diverter valve as well, to give you that lovely turbo noise.
It is a manual, isn't it? Manual, bro.
Yeah, manual.
6-speed, yeah? 6-speed manual, yeah?
It's a 6-speed manual.
Yeah.
Yeah, mainly a lot of cosmetic mods.
Yeah.
But yeah, hardware is that's pretty much it.
You got an exhaust with it as well, bro? Or no?
Yeah, straight through.
Straight through, yeah.
Straight through.
What exhaust is it?
It's not a.
Oh, not a branded one.
It's a custom.
Oh, okay, custom exhaust, yeah. Yeah. But as you guys can see, man, that looks wicked.
Sounds really
sounds
nice.
good. Yeah, it does, man. But as you guys can just see there, like the black and red really like contrasts nice. Obviously, when we jump in with you, Richard, obviously we'll go through some more information when you show us the car.
Yeah.
But yeah, bro, thank you very much for bringing your car down to us, man. And what tyre setup have you got running? Brakes?
So I did have Continentals all around,
yeah.
But the fronts got too low, so I had to change them. I went with Toyo tyres on the front. My dad recommended them, to be fair, and they are pretty good for grip.
Okay.
We got a hydro-dipped engine bay with strut brace, GSR intake.
Yeah, that does look really good, man.
GSR water hoses, tinted front lights, running EBC yellow stuff pads with M-Tech discs and pads on the front, and then the rears are currently standard until when they need changing. I've got also M-Tech brakes ready for them.
Wicked, man,
braided brake lines all around. Catch can in the back as well to make sure that my engine stays as clean as possible.
Yeah, I mean the engine bay is looking really good, bro. It's contrasting really nice with the car. I like the black and red theme you got going, man. Looks really good, man. But yeah, man. As I said, like obviously with your tyres as well, what do they perform like in the rain? Do you feel like it's good stopping or?
I haven't had to test them.
Yeah. Okay.
So
Yeah.
But yeah, for grip wise, very good for pulling off, and yeah, really good tyres I would highly recommend them.
Yeah, it's wicked. Man.
Half budget tyres, they're pretty good.
Yeah, no, 100%. But as I said, Richard, your car's looking really good, really nice, man. But as I said, we're going to jump in now, guys, and obviously give you a bit more information, take you guys for a spin, and show you exactly what the car's about. We're inside the car with Richard. Inside, it's got a really nice sports car feeling. As you guys can see, we've got the red seat belts. There's nice little small things that he's done to the car, which obviously makes it stand out and look really nice. In terms of standard power, what do these come as stock?
They come with 235 brake horsepower.
235?
Yeah.
Yeah, so how long did you keep it stock for when you had the car?
Less than a year.
Less than a year?
Less than a year.
Oh, so not long then, isn't it? Within a year you kind of mapped it then?
I've had it mapped a few times. Time was a stock stage 1 map.
Okay. So you went stage 1 first before you went straight?
Yeah.
Oh, so you didn't jump straight to stage 2, yeah?
I gave Celtic Tuning a lot of money.
Okay.
Because I went with Celtic every time.
Yeah.
Went with the stage 1, which brings it to 280, 290 on their stock map. Then I did mods, which then brought it to 307.
240 you said these come standard, isn't it?
Yeah.
240, yeah. So which is still quite like, impressive power, man.
It's only 30 off of the VXR.
Yeah, exactly.
Standards.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, the Astra VXRs, isn't it? So which is, guys, as I said, like that's still wicked, man. So obviously now stage 3, pushing 320 brake.
With a stage 2 clutch.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Ain't no way a stock clutch is going to handle it.
Yeah. But it's a bit different as well. As I said, guys, like you see your common cars like Golf Rs, S3s. This is something that it's boring, isn't it, bro? Like you kind of see it too much.
You always see them. Exactly.
That's what I'm saying.
That's why I went with a Giulietta, because nobody modifies a Giulietta.
Yeah. Different, isn't it?
They're so unique.
It's something different, bro.
And something very, very different.
Yeah. What's your insurance like as well then on this? And how old are you?
It's 27. Been driving for 5 years. Right now, it's costing me 900.
900 for the whole year?
Yeah.
£900?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not bad, man. It's not bad.
I've paid a lot worse in my time. I wrote off my no years claims, which then cost me £2 to insure for 1 year. Which really sucked.
Is this front or rear wheel drive, bro?
Front wheel drive.
Front wheel drive, yeah?
Yeah.
Obviously, guys, as you know, it's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, which is obviously the most funnest thing.
You gotta have a manual.
Exactly, yeah. It's more of a driver's car. Obviously, I've drove DSGs before, but you can probably agree with me, bro, DSG is a little bit boring, isn't it?
Yeah, it does all the work for you, what's the point?
Exactly. Especially when you're around the B roads that we're on today.
Exactly.
A 6-speed manual.
You can really choose the gears.
Exactly, man.
You can choose when to change.
100%, man. That's the main thing. Like you got that driver type of you got that engagement factor. And as I said, it's like a little hot hatch, bro. Like call it a hyper hatch, really, bro. The way it is, man. The way it's done up.
I'm not sure how much it is yearly, but I know I pay 25 quid a month on tax.
Okay, yeah.
Fuel economy with its currently when it's heavily modified, very bad.
Yeah.
If I'm driving like a maniac, I probably average 15 to 20 if I'm lucky. And then driving,
which is normal though once you start modifying these type of cars, though, isn't it?
Like
it's
stock,
yeah.
It's doing 30 to 40 if you drove normally. It's a very fun car.
Yeah, it's got a nice spool up as well. I don't know if you guys can catch it in the video, but there's a nice spool up just before Richard goes to put his foot down. There's a nice little spool up. Fucking hell. You got pops and bangs as well, don't it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Fucking hell, man. It's proper like
I've got to love pops and bangs.
Yeah. Sounds beautiful, that is. Gives you a proper kickback in your seat as well, just before you got to put your foot down.
Yeah.
That is quick, man. That is really quick, you know.
Yeah, the dynamic mode just turns it into an animal. So it's got an electronic LSD, which somehow does magic, you know, ECU stuff. I don't understand it, which helps with traction. I can't turn off traction control, unfortunately.
The car does pull really well. It gets the power down. What are your future plans with the car?
Well, future plans is to get tubular manifolds,
Yeah.
bigger turbo, but that kit's like £3,000. Then LSD as well, and then pretty much have it as a track fun weekend car.
What power would you want to get out of it? Probably over 400.
So the kit states around 400.
Would that be a Garrett turbo then? Within that price range, or
Yeah, most likely, yeah.
Garrett's?
It's a fully customized kit.
Yeah.
That will fit to the car, so I shouldn't have to do too much crazy modifications. Another remap down the line.
It'll be rapid though, 400 brake.
Yeah, the wheel spin will be nuts. Torque steer will be uncontrollable.
Yeah.
But it'll be fun.
Yeah, it'll be fun. That's what cars are all about.
I don't plan on ever selling it.
What's the gearbox and clutch like in this? You upgraded it, or
Yeah, stage 2.
stage 2? Yeah.
That cost me £1,000.
Oh, did it?
Oh yeah.
What clutch did you put in?
I can't remember the brand.
Yeah.
JTD Performance. He offered a very nice kit for it. New flywheel.
All strong though. Do you know what sort of bar boost it's running, or?
Yeah, it's running 1.6 bar in normal mode, and then dynamic mode it has an overboost, which brings it to around 1.7, 1.8 bar.
Yeah, it's quite a lot of boost. Pins you back in your seat as well when you pull it. It's rapid. I mean, compared to like a Golf R S3, what's the value on these type of cars? Like if you were to pick one up?
Vary on miles really, and condition.
Yeah.
There's a lot of people selling them on the marketplace currently between £7 grand.
It's not
one
bad
like
then.
mine, or there's a limited edition one currently for sale for 8k.
It's not too bad then really. I mean, compare that to a Golf R. I mean, it's double, triple the price. It's good value for money obviously when you modify it like this as well. What's the 0 to 60 on it, do you know?
Yeah, it's stock is 6.8. I've got a star 4.9 before.
Or 4.9?
Yeah.
It's quite good then, to be fair.
So yeah, 4.9 is the fastest I've ever done.
It's quite impressive for manual as well, front wheel drive.
It's honestly so hard to get a decent pull on front wheel drive.
I'm guessing on the roll is where it comes to life, isn't it?
Yeah, the wheel spin is mental. Torque steer to control it is even crazier.
Yeah, it's got quite a lot of torque as well. Fly sounds really good. Have you got a dump valve on it, or?
Yeah.
Dump valve.
Well, it's not a dump valve, it's a diverter valve, which also makes the dump noise.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's very, very nice. Used to get a proper nice turbo flutter, but ever since I've got the hybrid turbo, it doesn't do it anymore.
It does sound good though. Them pops and bangs are Hasbro, man.
Yeah, a little bit, but yeah, they're a stock tune of a Celtic tuning, so
yeah,
it can't be too bad.
Yeah, they do sound good though.
They like to keep things safe and professional. But yeah, the turbo's mad.
Yeah, that turbo noise, guys, it sounds really good. That was a strong launch. That is quick, bro. It's a monster.
This car crappy, bro.
It is, man.
What's your 0 to 60 time? Have you got one on it there?
Yeah, 4.9.
4.9.
Stock is 6.8. It's an animal, and this dynamic mode just absolutely converts it into something. Like normal mode is still quick.
Is there any power difference then in the modes, or is it always the same?
Other than the overboost, the tighter, quicker response on the foot.
Yeah.
And the accelerator, it's pretty normal, and it just drinks fuel. Absolutely drinks it.
Yeah.
Well, it's average at 30, but that was because I did a lot of motorway drive.
Yeah. Probably be a lot less when you're bombing it.
Oh yeah. Foot to the floor, probably 8 to 6. Maybe.
Yeah.
Absolutely bad.
So many cars. It's like a racetrack. Like these roads. Mexico.
Yeah, this ain't filmed in the United
Yeah.
Obviously.
You don't want it. You don't want it, man.
Smoking S3 on the Golf 5.
Yeah, I think it will, you
It's
know.
absolutely abolishing my record.
Especially on these type of roads.
Hi. I like to wave at my own cars.
Yeah, it's another Alfa Romeo.
I hope everyone does it because it's boring if you don't.
But yeah, I think this will have probably a Golf R
This is
S3.
smoking S3 on the
I think on the roads, I think on the launch you'll probably have it, but I think you'll reel it in eventually.
You gotta think, man, them DSG cars are boring as fuck.
Yeah, DSG is boring.
Underrated. Manuals
I'm
are
not
just
even just saying it, I
underrated.
genuinely think, bro, that this is right, bro. Like,
Yeah,
it's
like,
quick, man.
it is
Plus
quick.
it's really light as well, bro.
Yeah.
You're breaking this feels like
I
a
know.
lot more.
It's only 1.4 tons as well, 320 brake,
Yeah.
and the torque figures as well. This is a driver's car.
Driver's car.
That's
Alfa
it.
Romeo.
Manual box steer, basically.
Yeah, 6-speed manual.
That's what I like.
Can't go wrong, man.
Guys, that was it for the 320 brake Alfa Romeo Giulietta. I'm sure you guys can agree with me, this car is an absolute monster. As I said, it's something different, something that you don't really see a lot as well. And we'll definitely be getting Richard back on in the channel in the future as well. As I said, guys, it's something that you don't see as much. And as I said, this being a 6-speed manual as well as a proper driver's car, as you guys must have seen from the clips in the video, the car really has a good kick to it. Make sure you guys go drop Richard a follow on his Instagram. We'll leave a little link to his Insta in the description as well. If you guys want your car reviewed on the channel, make sure you guys drop us a message on our Instagram. And as I said, summer's coming, so we're going to have a lot more exciting content for you guys as well. Hope you guys are enjoying this content. So make sure you guys drop us a like and a subscribe, and we'll be seeing you guys in the next one.